I'm looking at his face.
Yeah, and he was bending down, messing with something down there when that noise went off.
Yeah. You can't do something.
I don't have anything on the car that goes "Woo, woo, woo, woo," like a police officer. When it happens.
Alright.
What
Well,
are you
looking at me, I don't know.
You're
You're
looking at
yanking
me.
your car
I
around,
know.
acting like a fool.
You're right. I was. You're looking at me all cross-eyed and shit. You want to drive? I'll let you drive.
No, you got it. You go ahead. But you're gonna look at me and like, oh, somebody else is doing something. You're blaming your kid in the back seat. No, you're blaming your kid in the back seat.
I said, I don't know. I look back and he's got this shit-eating grin on his face.
Cause you look back at him like a.
Because you know I can't take those serious situations.
What the hell ever?
She's staring at you. For what reason?
Because he's looking at me like, trying to be sneaky is what he's doing.
What?
I am tying my shoe, Mother. Look at my shoe. I am tying my shoe. You can look at me while I do it. 'Cause I am. I do.
Huh?
Must be whatever you're doing over there, because can't tell.
Something's going on with the car.
What did you do? Put underneath my hood?
I didn't put it. What are you talking
Yes, you did, because I saw you raise my hood up earlier.
about?
And now you guys are going to switch going over there. You're
Switch?
setting it
What are you
off.
talking about?
You're like, I think I stole his car. Where's your hand?
My hand?
Where's your hand? Let me see
There's
that.
my hand. There's my hand right here. What are you talking about? Your shit's fucked up.
What the hell ever?
There's something wrong with your car. We need to get you checked out.
Nothing wrong with my
Huh?
car.
Well, wait till we get to a public place. We'll find out. You alright?
Oh my god! What did you
Are you on the
do?
brakes? Are you on the brakes down there? What are you doing? Your alarm system's messed up.
I got run all the way to Brenham like this.
Maybe. I don't know what's wrong with the car.
Oh, fuck. If I get pulled over, I'm blaming you. Hey, gee.
What do I? My hands are right here. What if I do anything?
Oh.
Oh, now you filming.
Hmm?
You're filming now.
What, you got the hiccup? I didn't do nothing. I have nothing to do with it. No idea. Something wrong. You got a new alarm or something? All that yanking and shit. I told you something's gonna happen. You know, screwed up the wiring. Go in a restaurant, this thing's gonna go off all the time. There you go. Nope, hit the brakes. There you go. That's what's gonna solve it. Lock these people in. Just go ahead and pull over. Lock them in. Now what? What are you doing?
Getting the shit out of my hood.
It's zip tied. She can't get it off. What's wrong? You can't get it off? What happened? You can't untie it? What happened? What are you looking for? What? Oh, my knife. Oh, okay. Keep on. Alright, you cut it off. You're hurting now. Oh, that was hilarious. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it was funny.
Yeah.
I might as well get out and help her